What's going on, guys? Decelation and Brian.
What's going on, peeps?
How you doing?
Hey, we're doing.
What are we working on today?
Believe it or not, we're working on the 35 Factory 5 hot rod truck.
Yeah.
I'm going to be trying to form some fiberglass around the mold we cut last week. So we're going to make a tremendous mess all over this table with fiberglass and glue and hardener and epoxy and whatever else we need to use. Sooner or later we'll have something is going to block the outside from the inside in there. I don't know how pretty it's going to look, but it's a good thing it's by his feet and not out in the open.
I like it. I like how you said something. And today I'm going to continue my two-tone on my dashboard. So kind of I get to tape off this area and this bottom area and the center ring area, and then I'm gonna paint the rest black. So yeah, it should be fun. And yeah, Brian, we each have our work table. It's nice having a shop. Oh, should we show them the surprise what I ordered? But I'm really gonna make you put it in some work on. We did come promise them last week.
Yeah, we did.
Go ahead and grab it.
It's the next step up from, see, we have fiberglass cloth to do stuff, and then we're not satisfied there, so he bought me a big sheet of carbon fibre.
Yeah. So
Now I have to figure out how to mold that and glue it and epoxy it to cover up the rest of the transmission tunnel. So after I've covered my holes in with the fiberglass, we're pretty much going to wrap the rest of the transmission tunnel with carbon fiber.
Yeah, so the outer it's going to be exposed carbon fiber. Now, I'm not expecting. Hold on, let me get in the frame for this one. I'm not expecting perfection for this. This is just something we wanted to try. Well, something I wanted to try, and not just scumbag Brian had to do it for me.
That's all right. We'll figure it out.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. But I think just kind of I started throwing some carbon fiber bits at the truck, and then the next thing you know, the interior's gonna have a lot of carbon in it. And
we got the little dash, your electronic dash cover, the door cards. Once we finally,
oh, I haven't told him about the door cards.
Once we drink enough that we decided to take the doors and try to put the power windows in there.
Yeah, I haven't even told him about the door cards. But yeah, the door cards are also going to be carbon fiber. I already bought the carbon fiber for that.
So then we're going to do the transmission tunnel cover and
yeah, it's going to
see what else we can put in there.
Yeah, this is going to go insane. This is my dream truck. Might as well build it right the first time.
There we go.
But we're going to get to work. Ryan, you ready for this?
I am.
All right.
Let's make a mess.
Yeah. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. Ryan,
What's up, peeps?
what do we do?
He put some tape on some stuff. Got to get his area taped off so he can do his
Yeah.
fancy two-tone.
Yeah, no. That took more time than I care to admit, because what were you able to accomplish during the time I was just playing with tape?
I did my best impression of a boat hull repair guy, and laid some fiberglass and some epoxy stuff
Yeah.
over said fiberglass.
So this hole is a bump out for the shifter, but yes, it's completely fiberglass. So I actually have a sealed flip panel, so you can't see the bell housing once we bolt this all together. Pretty stoked about that.
Yeah, we'll put enough stuff on there. It's definitely going to be a 50-50 job there. It's going to look great at 50 feet or 50 miles an hour. And if we just cover everything with that carbon fibre,
Yeah.
that's actually not even fibre, that's carbon fiber over there. So if we cover it with that, we'll be
Yeah, once it's covered with carbon fiber, I'm gonna be stoked, because that's
able
gonna be
to see
awesome.
my imperfections as much.
I mean, honestly, that looks very smooth and solid. Like, honestly, like, comment down below. People have done fiberglassing before and dealt with fiberglass. Rated 1 to 10. Here it goes, nice close up.
I ain't scared either.
Yeah, Brian's not scared.
At least tell me. If it's a 1, at least tell me.
Yep, rated 1 to 10. I mean, it still needs to cure and everything, but literally, how many times have you done fiberglass?
That's it.
Yep. So that's his first time. Read the instructions. Probably watched a YouTube video or two. But yeah, rate him 1 to 10.
Yeah. As long as it keeps the outside out of the inside of the
If it's sealed,
vehicle.
I'm giving him a 10. That's where I'm at. But yeah, so we're gonna.
And if this doesn't seal, I got some flex paste.
Yeah.
We'll flex seal it. Because you can make a boat out of a screen door. I can make a footwell out of it.
No, we're gonna do tiger hair.
Oh, just form the entire, make a mold.
Just a mold out of tiger hair. Yeah, there we go. We're just gonna go the nuclear option. Yeah, it's gonna be a rock.
You have a gangster lean.
Yeah, probably. All right. Well, I'm gonna get to painting so we can see what this looks like with two tones. Well, actually, yeah, the way to paint it is it's a 2-day process. So we'll maybe later this evening, because I have to wait 6 hours between coats. But yeah, we're gonna paint. I'm looking forward to this, because this is probably gonna look sick. Welcome back, guys. Brian,
What's going on, peeps?
how we looking?
We're looking pretty good.
All right.
Fancy paint on there.
Yeah, so it's still kind of wet, so you get your wet spots. But I managed to get the first 4 coats onto this. And I still got to do another set of 4 coats between 6 and 24 hours later. So, pretty stoked about that. And we kind of saw what Brian worked on. Let's do a status update on it.
Yeah.
Let's see how it is.
It's nice. The cure time's a little faster down here in Florida because it's like working in an oven, but it's hard. It's amazing when you follow the instructions for mixing things that has specific instructions, not like the body fill stuff where it's like, oh yeah, just put some stuff in there and mix it around. that doesn't help.
Yeah, no joke. But no, that's good. And that's just the first layer. We're gonna we were discussing we're gonna put a layer on the inside of it, other side of it as well, and then we're gonna do a layer of carbon fiber all around. So it's gonna increase some strength. It's gonna be nice and solid.
And then this side's getting sanded a little bit, roughed up. and then we're gonna put that tiger hair mixture
It's over
stuff
there.
on there.
It's on the
We're
table.
gonna smooth that onto there, and just for some more rigidity, rather than putting another layer of fiberglass and epoxy on there. So now we can just lightly sand the epoxy that's already there, and then coat the whole everywhere back here with the tiger hair, so it's nice and stiff, and let that dry, and spray it with some of that, whatever, the bed liner body undercoating stuff.
Like rubberized stuff. We did the entire inside of the cab with it. It's actually really nice. It almost makes like, I can tolerate not having a headliner for a while just because of how nice that stuff was. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Yeah, it's gonna be cool.
So yeah, now we just gotta flip it over, do the other side, and see what other mess we can make.
All right. Well, we're gonna wrap it up for today's video there. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this type of content, yes, we're back on the trucks. Please subscribe down below. Hit that like button. Tell us what you think.
And we did make the mistake of looking at some vehicles for sale on certain marketplaces, and it was a bad idea. It's a bad idea.
Really, really, really bad idea. Like,
so stay tuned, folks.
you guys know my weakness. Every 6 months. I bought the F-250 6 months ago. Brian.
Wasn't my fault this time.
Yes, it was. It was actually
it actually was my fault this time.
You found the car.
I did. And I found another car.
And then we found one for Brian. Yes, see? Oh, yeah, I can make it do yes. Uh-huh. Brian, it's your fault. See?
It is my fault this time. I put one little tick mark in Brian's fault.
There's a few tick marks. Like the, your idea to use the Stila Gray on the entire body of the truck. So guess who spray painted the whole car? Not Brian. Not Brian.
Well, it was in your garage. Had it been in my... Oh, yeah, I don't have a garage.
Yeah.
Well, I did at some point.
Yes.
But it's full of my ex-wife shit, so... Which I don't have that anymore, so we're all good.
There you go. But yeah, we're gonna take... It's hot. We're gonna call it a day. Have a good one, guys. Peace.
Oh, there we are. Take it easy, peeps.
Welcome back, guys. I couldn't leave you without showing you after I pulled the tape off. Oh yeah, that looks good. Oh yeah. And we're gonna have a carbon fiber surround right here in the center. Air vent, gauge, well, meter. Yeah, I'm happy with it. I'm happy. But thank you guys. I really do appreciate it, and I'm happy about that. So have a good one. Peace.